We know that in the case of European options, we can only exercise the option at the maturity time. For example, in the case of the call European option, the payoff is the maximum of S minus E or 0. That's the of payoff of the call option. But that's the payoff, so that's the value of the option just at the maturity time when t is equal to capital T. However, there are other more complicated options that they allow you the possibility of early exercise. So you can have this payoff basically at any time t. Or at a specific dates or specific time, of course, in the case of a call option. For example, if you have the possibility of early exercise at any time, they are called American options. So these kind of options that give you the possibility of this early exercise, they are called these free boundary problems. And as you can imagine here, the main difficulty in pricing these kind of American options that, for example, that they allow you the possibility of early exercise at any time. It's related with the existence of this free boundary, and it's related with the possibility of this early exercise. And actually, there are no exact formulas available here in the case of American options, for example, which is not the case of European call options, that in the very basic cases where sigma and R are constants, we do have these exact formulas. But in American options, even considering the simplest case, we don't have exact formula. So we do have to rely on numerical methods. And the key thing in order to calculate the value and price this kind of American options is the following. We have to avoid arbitrage. This is the key. We have to avoid arbitrage. So that basically means the following. That the option value at each point cannot be less than the immediate payoff if the option is exercised. That's in the case of American options. Because if you have the possibility of exercising the option and you can have that money from the option at any time, the value of the option has to be higher than that because otherwise there's a possibility of arbitrage. So that's going to be a key thing in order to price and calculate numerically the price of these free boundary problems, and particularly in the case of American options. As we have said here, the American options, they give you the possibility of early exercise at any time, but there are other kind of options that, for example, we have these Bermudian options that the exercise is only allowed on certain dates. So in this case, in the case of these, for example, these Bermudian options, the payoff function will be 0, except on these special dates where you have the possibility of early exercise. When it takes the payoff function, I mean, it takes this prescribed function of the underlying, that in the case of, for example, the call option will be the maximum of S minus E or 0. So in these cases where they give you the possibility of early exercise at some specific dates, we can consider that the payoff function is going to depend also on the S variable and also on T, because we can have the possibility of early exercise at specific dates. So so the next question here that we might have is, okay, we already know which are these free boundary problems, and particularly the case of American options, but how can we price these options? How can we implement finite difference numerical methods in order to price this method? And that's actually what we're going to do next.